it is not allowed for you to allow a non-Muslim to get some water of puja, which is a Hindu ritual that they do. It's a form of worship that they do, and that water they sprinkle so that it wards away the evil eye or the bad eyes. This is not permitted in Islam, it's haram. You have to tell your boss very well that I'm a Muslim, I don't believe in you getting puja water and sprinkling on me. This is superstition, it's not allowed in my religion. And you should not allow him to sprinkle water on you. If he yet forces and insists, you have to give him warning that if you do this, I'll leave the job. And if he does it, you leave the job. If he's forcing on you something which is haram, if you request him and he stops it, no problem. You have to be bold, but be courteous, be very soft. Tell them nicely that I'm a Muslim and in my religion, it's not permitted that you get some puja water or water you have put on some other deity and you sprinkle it on me thinking that I'll be safe from the evil eye or the harm that is done. This is against my faith. I will not allow it. And if he insists being a boss and he forces on you, then you have to leave the job and search for another job.